Now, early monsoon may have helped Delhiites cool off, but now people are facing the heat over soaring vegetable prices. Heavy rain in the hills and vegetable growing states have spoilt vegetable crops. It seems like it's going to be onion tears for a while now.
जो 3 हफ्ते पहले मैंने सब्जियां ली थी वो 500 रुपए में मेरी जितनी सब्जी आई थी, अब वो पिछले हफ्ते मंगाया था 900 रुपए की आई थी। इस समय पता नहीं अभी कितना क्रॉस करेगा।
Dr. Vinita Deshpande is worried. She is struggling to manage her monthly budget, hoping for lower prices. She came to a wholesale market to buy vegetables instead of going to her regular neighborhood store. But she is stunned by prices even here. Left with no choice, she has restricted her consumption of vegetables. Wholesalers say that the price of most vegetables has gone up by 20 to 30%. Tomatoes, which were available at 10 to 30 rupees per kg a fortnight ago, are now selling at 30 to 50 rupees per kg. Cauliflower has jumped from 15 to 40 rupees per kg to 35 to 50 rupees per kg, while capsicum has taken a leap from 10 to 20 rupees per kg to 25 to 35 rupees per kg in the wholesale market. Wholesalers believe that the early downpours have damaged vegetable crops in states, especially Haryana. The monsoon rains were unusually early. Typically, they cover northern India by mid-July. Crops of cabbage, green peas and tomatoes have been spoilt by floods in Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh, leading to rise in prices. And there's not much good news to look forward to in the near future. Traders say that prices may rise even further in the coming days due to poor supply to the city. With Sonal Malhotra and Tom Joseph in New Delhi, Bani Singh Chadha, NDTV.
And my colleague Sonal Malhotra sent us this report from the Mandi.
The prices of vegetables are soaring, and we on an early Friday morning have come to Okhla Mandi, one of the biggest wholesale sellers for vegetables in the national capital. Now we have vegetables all across us. Let's give you a sense of what's really happening. This tomato over here, one of the basic things that you require in your kitchen, is costing at least 60 rupees a kilo in the wholesale market. This fellow here tells me that once it reaches the retail market, it's going to cost you almost 80, even 100 rupees a kilo. My camera person tells me that he stopped eating tomatoes since the time the prices went high. Let's get the sense of other vegetables. Brinjal here, 60 rupees a kilo. Lady finger, another 40 to 50 rupees a kilo. But another stunner in this market is the capsicum. Capsicum, we are being told, is 80 to 100 rupees a kilo, even in the wholesale market. So clearly, in the coming weeks, your monthly budget is going to take a toll. Not just this, even price of fruits are soaring. Basically, we can attribute this to two reasons. Wholesalers say that because of the floods in Uttarakhand, even in parts of Himachal Pradesh, a lot of crops got destroyed, leading to increase in prices. Not just that, pre-monsoon showers in northern India, especially in areas like Punjab and Haryana, has also led to increase in prices, which are now absolutely on the rocks, skyrocketing. And if you're out to buy your vegetables, little tip from us, come to a wholesale market like Okhla or perhaps one of the Azadpur mandis in New Delhi. Otherwise, your retailer next to your house is going to cost you quite a bomb, and that's literally